Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted any video on my channel, and my last video was like what, 11 months ago, and I'm very sorry about that. But here I am, I'm back and ready to film more video for you guys, and I hope I'll be consistent this time. So yeah, let's see. For today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing plus first impression of a local brand, which is Nita Cosmetics. So if you guys would like to know which one is my favorite, then just keep on watching. So this is the package that I got yesterday from Ninja Brand. See? So let's unbox it now together. This is my first time buying products from Nita Cosmetics, so yeah. Okay, so these are the things that have in the package. Oh my god, I bought the Balik Kampung Tapao series, and I don't know, what is this? Is it a free gift? I think so. So here's the Tapao series. It consists of 5 mini liquid lipstick. Very cute. And then they gave me this moist jumbo lipstick. Ooh, interesting. So I don't have anything on my lips right now except some lip balm. So I already prepared my makeup wipes. So let's start. So for this limited edition Balik Kampung Tapao series, it contains 5 different colors, which is Ice Kepal, Teh Tarik, Milo, Kopi Susu, and Bandung. So cute. There you go. Packaging wise, it's very cute. I mean, look at this. It's not even the size of my pinky. I don't know how long this gonna last. I mean, with this amount, maybe if you wear it every day, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So cute. So this is my travel makeup bag. So let's say I want to have a selection of colors on my trip, but I don't want my makeup bag to be heavy. I think this is a good choice because, you know, it's not really that heavy, and I have like selection amounts of colors for my lips on my trip. So enough with the talking. I think we should just get swatches. Let's start. swatches for all of them on my hand so that you guys can see how the color really looks like. Starting from left, we have Bandung, Kopi Susu, Milo, Teh Tarik, and Ice Kapau. I really love the colors, the texture. I mean, it's not drying at all, it's not sticky. I just want to know whether it is transfer proof or not, so let's see. Okay, yeah, just a little bit, but it's okay, I wouldn't mind that. I don't know which one is my favorite, but I think I like Teh Tarik and Kopi Susu the most. So the original full size price for this liquid lipstick is 46 ringgit. If you buy the sets like this, it's only retail for 49. So if you would like to buy the products, you can check out their website at nitacosmetics.com, or you can just head over to their physical stores at Sogo, KLCC, IOI, Mid Valley, and Shah Alam. Don't forget to follow them on Instagram at nita.cosmetics. So that concludes our video for today. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there and give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll see you guys soon next time. Bye bye.